Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Vybz, Kartel and Shenseea are among the big winners at this year's Entertainment Arts and Awards. Jamaican acts took home some of the biggest awards at this year's staging of the premier award show for Africa and the globe. Now the Shenseea boss copped a total of 3 awards in the categories: Best Female Artist, Best Female Dancehall Artist and Best Female Caribbean Performer. The world boss also walked away with 3 awards: Best Male Caribbean Artist, Best Male Dancehall Artist and Best Male Caribbean Performer. Massacre took home the award for Best Caribbean Album. The Queen of Dancehall, Spice, won the award for Best Caribbean Female Songwriter. Egyptian copped the Best Caribbean Male Songwriter Award. Vanessa Bling won for Best Caribbean Female Recording Vocalist. Russian snagged Global Hit Maker Producer of the Year. Mojo Morgan took home the EP of the Year and Popcorn won Best Caribbean Male Recording Vocalist. Congrats, guys. The highly anticipated One Love Jamaica Rebuild concert, which was held on Saturday in Florida, raised some $129,000. According to preliminary figures, just over half of its target of $250,000, which aims to provide relief to victims of Hurricane Melissa. The event featured performances from the likes of Marion Hall, Carlene Davis, Papa San, Kevin Downswell, among others.
All the Jamaicans and other people from other islands and here in Florida, here in America, they were hungry, they were waiting, they wanted to support with not just money, but to be there, their presence, you know? So it was all love and unity and joy and laughter and, you know, everyone was just happy to be there.
Now, on the international scene, Queen Bee is making her grand return to the Met Gala for the first time in a decade. Beyoncé will return next year to the gala in the capacity of co-chair alongside Nicole Kidman, Venus Williams, and Anna Wintour. This spring's event will mark Beyoncé's first Met Gala appearance in a decade. She last walked the Met steps in 2016 when she attended the gala in Givenchy Haute Couture. The 2026 Met Gala, the Metropolitan Museum of Art, will celebrate its Spring Costume Institute exhibition titled Costume Art. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.